How to make bread machine pumpkin dinner rolls. In your bread machine pan, start by adding warm milk, melted butter, eggs, salt, sugar and nutmeg. Then add your pumpkin puree. Next, add your flour. Then add your yeast on top of the flour. Once it's ready, place your pan inside the bread machine and close the lid. Set on the dough cycle and let the machine do its job. The cycle is around 30 minutes. Once the dough cycle is done, transfer the dough to an oiled bowl and cover, place in a warm area, and wait until doubled in size. Gently deflate the dough and divide it into 24 equal parts. Roll each portion into a smooth ball and place it in the prepared baking pan. Cover them loosely. Let them rise again until double in size. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.